Good morning from Myanmar, everyone. Welcome back to another video. It's 7 in the morning and I'm making my way to the starting point of this bike route that I'm going to ride today. The whole loop is 40-something kilometers long and it's mostly paved road, but I'm only going to show you this stretch of 16 kilometers, which is amazing with beautiful scenery. I can't believe that I can have such an incredible ride, not very far from where I'm living. I've made it to the starting point. Well, technically I'm a few hundred meters away from it. That was a checkpoint and it is not such a good idea to talk to the camera where they can see me. Now I have to go through this village. I don't know what happened to this little garden. Last time I was here, there were flowers everywhere. As you can see in the picture that I took a few months ago, it was in full bloom. It's only 8:15 and the sun is already high up in the sky. It has started to get hotter, so I have put on my buff and arm sleeves. Look, a fish and is alive, and there's one more here. All right. You're gonna go. Whoa, 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 whoa. So far, I've seen 3 of these guys. There may be more. I don't know. I just saw a movement and whoa, there are more. I don't know what are they doing here. Yeah, I have no idea where these guys came from. Just found another one of these guys again. Seriously, where do these guys come from? I don't know about you, but I'm kind of disappointed because this place is not what it was like 2 months ago. Back then, everything was green, the weather was nice, and the sky was cloudy. Today, I came out with the intention of showing you how beautiful it is, but things didn't turn out the way I wanted to. So I'm sorry about that. I can't remember the name of this tree, but the flower of this tree has really sweet smell and it is so refreshing. That building you see over there, it's a school, primary school. I can tell that from the sign. I'm just messing with some village kids. They asked me who I am, and I told them that I'm a famous actor, a Myanmar actor, and they believed me. It's really funny. Local cyclists have a funny name for this kind of road. It's called peanut brittle road. This is what a peanut brittle looks like. As you can see in the picture, it is not smooth with all the peanuts sticking out. I find it quite funny. I'm a little hungry and now I'm having a sandwich. I tried to find some shade, but there's no big trees, so there's no shade. I've been here a while. All my devices are running low on battery, and I also found some shade. So I've decided to wait while my devices are charging. Look at the quality of the road. A typical village road. Alright guys, this is the Riverview Bike Trail. It's not much, but it's a simple urban area can offer. I should have made this video a few months ago when everything was still greener and the weather was nicer, but you have to make the most out of this situation. Yeah. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.